Good evening, VV Nation. My name is Ryan. Welcome to the channel. Happy Tuesday. Now we're going to kick this video off right. I'm excited about this. I'm bringing back a company that was really brought about during the NFT era. That company pretty much almost went bankrupt, but over the last 6 months has reinvented itself to be a major AI generative player. The stock's up over 66% today on some news coming out. The company I'm talking about, GXAI. We all know about the rise of ChatGPT, their text generative AI services. This company in the same arena here, trying to compete in a multi-billion-dollar industry with generative AI. And the company has been a turnaround story. Not only that, this is an AI company. We've noticed a lot of AI stocks are trading at very high valuations. Now, this is actually an undervalued company compared to the VectorVest metrics. The stock being GXAI, also known as GAXOS AI. Now, I'm going to show you a couple stories that explain exactly why the stock's showing a big move today. We're going to jump in the VectorVest 7 software and take a look at our proprietary indicators and take a look and see if GXAI is even worth being added to your portfolio. So if this is something that you're interested in, stick around and let's get started. All right, big event coming up. We got the Las Vegas 2-day investment seminar coming September 20th, 21st, 2025. You can achieve the VIP experience in person. Just go to vectorvest.com/Vegas to register now. So what's causing the stock to soar 66% today? Well, the lab launched ArtGen, an AI image and video creation platform targeting multi-billion-dollar market. Sounds a lot like ChatGPT, right? Does a lot of the same things. Now, also the article states that the platform integrates AI models from industry leaders like Google, Stability AI, and Pixverse with GAXOS proprietary enhancements. The ArtGen AI offers subscription-based model with features including instant image and video generation, smart image transformation, one-click upscaling, dynamic video creation. So this is going way beyond just generating text prompts, right? This dives into the world of both audio and video AI generation. Now, I do like this part here. Positives for the company: entry into high growth generative AI market with massive revenue potential. Keyword potential. Subscription-based model provides reoccurring revenue, partnerships with major AI industry leaders, Google, Stability AI, Pixverse, high margin business model with scalable technology platform. Now, the negatives for the company: entering a highly competitive market, right? Just about every company is going after the AI market, but with major partnerships such as Google, this does give this company a little bit of an advantage there. Now, there's no immediate revenue projections or financial metrics provided. Success dependent on market adoption and subscription growth. Now, here's another article, GXAI surprising leap, what lies ahead. Now, as we take a look at some of these developments here, has been unexpected surge despite previous stability. The company's stocks have been jumped significantly, sparking investor interest. Key partnerships in the AI tech sector have bolstered investor confidence, positioning GXAI for potential growth. Like I said, that Google partnership, that's huge. New AI-driven innovations are set to revolutionize how companies process data, hinting at broad tech industry impacts. As I dive deeper into this article, the earnings revelation show GAXOS AI battling conventional hurdles associated with tech firms. Analysts acknowledge GAXOS AI apparent high cash reserves, projecting it as a buffer against operational challenges. So the company does have high cash reserves. As investors gauge future earnings expectations, the financial cushion could invoke confidence and encourage prolonged investment. Now, this company has made several great announcements this year. With this article here, you can see the title launches unpgt.ai, a revolutionary tool for transforming AI generative text into human quality content, right? The whole idea about this company is making AI friendlier and more usable by the consumer. Here I'm at the website for GAXOS AI. As I scroll down here, you can see GAXOS Labs. We've got the UnGPT. This is the AI text humanizer, an SEO writer, that's search engine optimization. ArtGen, this is what they just announced here: create unique images and video clips from text or transforming existing visuals with advanced AI tools as well. We do have the gaming labs here. This is a big portion of the company. This AI monetization and development tool for game developers and publishers empowers players to customize their gaming experience while creating new revenue streams and increased engagement for publishers. All right, if we take a look at the stock here, currently at $1.80, stock up 64%. First thing I want to say, look at the valuation. This is an undervalued AI play. Even after the jump, even after the hype, the stock is still undervalued by the VectorVest metrics. If we take a look at RV, RS, not the best fundamentals, right? So you're looking at a value play here in the AI space with momentum to the upside. We've got the RT at 1.39, so we know the short term is in the favor of the bulls. We got a buy recommendation. If we look at the forecasted data here, sales growth rate 999, it's maxed out right now. Growth rate and earnings coming in at 20%. Not a bad stock to have on your radar. Exactly why I wanted to put this out this evening. So let's go ahead and jump in the chart and see if there's any potential with this position. All right, we're looking at the stock here over the last 3 months. Look at the big upper wick here. You can see profit clearly taking place here. Fresh buy rating as of today. The green line here, that's a 200-day moving average. I do like this for the bulls. Look at the bottom wick. Price action was able to stay right above that 200-day moving average. Nice level of support, and that 200-day moving average coming in right at the prior swing high. So honestly, I like that trade setup for the bulls. And honestly, I like this pullback, right? $1.82 undervalued sounds a lot better than $2.40 for this stock. If we take a look here, growth rate earnings on the rise, sales growth rate rising. Earnings per share is negative with the leading forecasted EPS on the rise as well. But I do want to take a look at this. Let's go back to a year chart. This stock has been pumped before. The high just over $7. A lot of momentum with this position as well. Look at the turnaround story. Growth rate and earnings was negative. However, over the last few months here, coming in at 20%. Sales growth rate ticking up to $9.99. Earnings per share, it's been on a steady rise over the last 12 months. I like this position. You can see with the VectorVest 7 system, you're not paying too much of a premium when it comes to this stock, even after the big jump up. That's why I say I like this pullback here. I like this upper wick as of right now, mainly because we're finding support at the 200-day moving average. So yes, if you want to let the dust settle, hey, I get it. I'm not in a rush to jump in this position, especially since we got some red lights in the color guard right now. The market not quite getting its act together, but I do feel getting this stock between $1.80 and $1.40, not a bad deal as well. Look at the momentum we saw before. A lot of upper wicks here on this move to the upside, just as we're seeing now, but that did not mean that the move was over. So again, I'd like to see price action stay above this 200-day moving average for at least a session or two before getting too bullish on this position. Now, I hope everyone enjoyed tonight's presentation, introducing to a lot of you a new AI play. Not only is it an AI play, it's an undervalued AI play. That's why I want it to be on your radar. So if you like tonight's presentation, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel and what you heard you found informative, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow evening.
Yeah.